In this video, we will see the complete scheme process in the Jewellery software. First, open your browser and search for jewellery.in. Once the page opens, you will see the login screen. Here, enter your phone number and password. Then click login. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. Now click on sidebar menu and select scheme. Then click on schemes. Click on plus scheme. Here enter the scheme name. You can select the scheme color, time interval and calculation type. Enter the total period as 10 and the bonus period if required. The total period includes both the regular period and the bonus period. Enter the installment amount as 5000. You can change it as needed. Then click on save. Now go to scheme entry. Click on plus scheme. Here select the scheme name. Since we just created one scheme, it will be shown here. Next, select the customer. If it is a new customer, click on the plus icon and add the customer. After selecting the customer, click on save. Now the scheme entry is created for the customer. When you click on the scheme, on the right side you will see payment and details. Detail section, you can view the amount paid, pending and all scheme related information. This print card contains customer and scheme details and useful for pasting on the scheme card. In print history, you can check the installment details. Payment section, here you can check the due date and amount. If the status is pending, click on plus pay to make the payment. The payment date will be the current date by default. You can change the date. Click on pay. After each installment, we can print the receipt and scheme invoice. If needed, we can also delete it. Similarly, completed all the payments. For bonus, you can adjust the amount if needed. Here we can check the paid amount and the total amount including the bonus. Once all payments are completed, change the status from active to complete. There are 3 scheme statuses: active, complete and cancelled. Now let's see how to apply the scheme in the sale bill. Go to the sale bill page and select the customer name and sale type. Now enter the sale bill entry. At the bottom section, you will see the scheme option. Select the completed scheme and the scheme amount is adjusted. Now click on save. The sale bill is generated successfully. To check whether the scheme is applied correctly, go back to scheme entry. We can filter using customer name. And click on details. At the bottom, you will see the sale bill number and sale date. You can verify the bill using these details. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.